Hello and welcome back to day 4 of the Content Creators Influencers series. So let's check how do we upscale an image, remove the background, or even generate captions for our videos using Manus. It's pretty straightforward and very powerful. So let's look into this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for some random images because I want some blurry image. Let's say, so I'm going to take this image. Let me save image. Now I'm going to Manus, upload this particular image, and I'll show you what is the resolution and how it looks when we zoom in. Upscale the image. Keep in mind that this is a free account that I have on Manus, and I've newly created this. So I have around 300 credits. So let it work over here. Also click on this. So you can see it already blurs, right? I can also click on edit in canvas here. It opens a canvas like this. I can upscale it here. I can also so this is the one which it is generating right now. Okay, this is 900 by 900, 82.9 KB. So if I zoom in, you can see that it already blurs, right? But this is the image which it generated just now. Let me zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. You can see the image is exactly the same. Okay, there is no change in this, but this is pretty high quality, 1254 to 1254. If I want to upscale it even further, I can go here, right? I can say 2K, 4K, 8K. Okay, let me try 4K and it should start now. I'll have to click on this one. You can see it has started generating here. Okay, while that's happening, I can also go and I can also make it full screen. This is the original image, right? I can also remove the background and so on and so forth. So let it do the upscaling for this and then I'll remove the background. Let's check that as well. There you go. This is the 4K image. Okay, if you see here, yeah, this is 4096 is to 4096. And you look at this, like, you see, even if I zoom in so much, amazing, isn't it? I can download this now, upscaled image. I can also ask it to remove the background. Okay, that will be done over here. So you can see here, this is now at 4K with background removed. Okay, so I'm going to download this. And next up, let's try something cool because I want a video so that I can show you how we can generate captions on Manus. And for that, let's head over to Gemini, and I am on video section over here. Okay, we have a video section, so I'm there. I'm going to upload the image that we just downloaded, and I'll say generate a video inviting audience to follow our YouTube channel with 7 AI. Okay, so just remove this brisket. We have Flash, we have 3.5 Thinking, 3.1 Pro, and so on and so forth. Because we have Pro, I'll go with that one. Okay, video, and let me go with portrait. Click on run. So let's see what it generates for us. I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes, so check back to see when your video is ready. Now, while this is happening, you might be wondering why not remove.bg, right? Which removes the background. Now, let's quickly check that. I'll go here and I'm going to upload this particular image, which is 4K. It'll remove the background. Okay, and it does a clean job without any problem. Let's wait for it. Okay, so it has removed the background, no problem at all. So if I go to download this, you can see I can get it only at 500 cross 500 pixels. If I want 4K, then I'll have to unlock, which means I have to go for a paid plan. But on Manus, right, we were able to generate that without any issues, even in the free plan. And let's quickly check how much credits did we use there. I hope I should be able to see that. Not now. So all put together, I've used around 60 credits because I had 300. Okay, so I have used 60 credits for firstly upscaling to 1K and then 4K and then removing the background. All put together, I've spent around 60 tokens. So now I'll go here, upload a reel that I had created from Hagen, and I'll say add caption to this video, make it animated. Right, so let's hit enter and let's see what Manus does for us. I have received your video and will add animated captions to it. I'll start by transcribing the audio and then applying the animated effects. Okay, so it started working on that. Let me show you what this file is so that you know we don't have the caption right now. You don't need Photoshop anymore to expand or extend your images. There's a free AI tool that can instantly resize your images to any aspect ratio using AI generation. This is one of the earlier videos that we had generated. So let's take that as a reference and get this done. So you can see here it says generate animated captions and burn them into the video. Okay. I reviewed the transcription, confirming accurate timestamps and content. Next, I'll prepare animated captions for embedding into the video. So it has faced some issue here. Let's wait and watch. Because Google was taking a lot of time to generate this video, I went with HN video. But of course, you could also do it with the video that we have generated using Google, or maybe you have shot your own video and you want to add caption there. So any videos that you want to add caption, you could use this method. So we can also see that it is doing something here. If I open this up, we can see what exactly it's doing. Okay, frame index 91% done. Let's see what happens after this. 97, 98, 99 and 100. Fix the script for better compatibility. Generated caption video successfully. Next, we'll focus on adding animated captions before final delivery. Let's wait. Fingers crossed. Successfully added animated captions to your video. The captions are styled in yellow with a black stroke with high visibility and feature a pop-up animation. Okay, let's see. You don't need Photoshop anymore to expand or extend your images. There's a free AI tool that can instantly resize your images to any aspect ratio using AI generation. You just upload your image, choose the format you want, like 16:9, 1:1, or vertical for reels and shorts, pick the alignment and hit generate. The AI automatically fills in the missing parts of the image in just a few seconds. So if you've ever needed to turn a portrait photo into a landscape thumbnail or expand images for social media without manually editing them, this makes it ridiculously easy. No Photoshop skills, no complicated masking, and completely beginner friendly. Comment image and I'll send you the link. There you go. So it has added the caption for the entire video, and I was observing that the caption is actually rightly added based on what I'm talking, right? Of course, if I would have given a detailed prompt, like give just 3 or 4 words together or something like that, then probably it would have done that, right? Because when we tried it, we have seen the caption coming out really well. I have just 159 credits. Let me check if this video is ready. This is not yet ready. Okay, and let me give this a try. Could you please add the caption with just 3 to 4 words at once rather than full sentence together? Caption display preference for videos. Okay, when adding captions to videos, display them in short phrases of 3 to 4 words at a time rather than full sentence. Yes, that's what I want. So I'll click on accept and let's see what it does. It says it's working on it. So let's wait. I could also ask it to change the color of the word what I'm speaking right now, so it becomes even more engaging. But yeah, that's fine. It says finish generating the video with shorter 3 to 4 word animated captions aligning with the plan to improve readability. Next step, deliver the updated video. Very fast, isn't it? So let's wait and watch. Meanwhile, let's check if Google has generated the video. Not yet. So I think we'll skip this for now because I'm not really sure how long this will take. Wait for the video generation to complete and it says it's done. Let's watch it. You don't need Photoshop anymore to expand or extend your images. There's a free AI tool that can instantly resize your images to any aspect ratio using AI generation. You just upload your image, choose the format you want, like... Okay, while it understood and did it, the captions have cut down. Of course, we can go ahead, ask it that it has cut down, please correct it. It should be able to do it, right? I'll not go ahead because we have just about 128 credits, and I think that's something that you can do it, right? So that's how you can use Manus to upscale your images and also generate captions. What I'm impressed about is the upscaling of images. We had given somewhere around 900 is to 900, and it was able to upscale all the way until 4K. I wouldn't be surprised if it would also upscale this to 8K image, right? And that happened in under 1 minute. That's amazing. So if you want to upscale any of your older images while you are creating content or for your clients, please use Manus and let me know how was the results. We still have one video to go in this series, so stay tuned.